Samsung Odyssey G5 versus LG UltraGear 34. Which 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor should you buy? Looking for a 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor and stuck between Samsung's Odyssey G5 and LG's UltraGear 34. Both offer 3440 by 1440 resolution and high refresh rates, but the panel technology and overall experience are quite different. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Samsung Odyssey G5 uses a VA panel with a dramatic 1000R curve. It runs at up to 165 Hz, supports AMD FreeSync Premium, and has a 2500:1 typical contrast ratio. That stronger contrast can be especially useful in darker games, where deeper blacks help create a more immersive image. The LG UltraGear 34 depends on the exact model. The popular 34GP63AB uses a VA panel, 1800R curve, 160 Hz refresh rate, 300 nit typical brightness, and a 3000:1 contrast ratio. LG also offers higher-end 34-inch UltraGear models, such as the 34GN850, which uses nano IPS, reaches up to 160 Hz, and offers wider DCI-P3 color coverage. For gaming, both provide plenty of screen space and a 21:9 aspect ratio, making them great for racing games, RPGs, simulations, and multitasking. The Samsung's tighter 1000R curve feels more immersive, while LG's 1800R curve is less aggressive and may feel more natural for general desktop use. Connectivity is another consideration. The Samsung G5 includes DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI, but it does not include USB ports or USB-C. LG's 34GP63AB also provides DisplayPort and HDMI, while higher-end UltraGear models can add USB connectivity. The biggest downside with both is that 3440 by 1440 requires more GPU power than standard 1440p. And while both advertise HDR support, neither should be confused with a high-end HDR display with advanced local dimming. So which should you buy? Choose the Odyssey G5 if you want the aggressive 1000R curve, strong contrast, and 165 Hz gaming at a value-oriented price. Choose the LG UltraGear if you prefer a less aggressive curve, or consider a higher-end UltraGear model if color performance and IPS technology matter more to you. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which ultra-wide monitor you choose.